Creepy Crawlies Day is a wonderful and exciting celebration that helps children to explore the amazing world of tiny insects around us. These small creatures like butterflies, ladybugs, ants, spiders, snails and caterpillars play an important role in nature. They help plants grow, clean the environment and keep our earth balanced. Every tiny creature has a big purpose in nature. STEM World School joyfully celebrated Creepy Crawlies Day with curiosity, creativity and enthusiasm. The little explorers of Ukraine participate in different fun-filled learning activities such as insect role play, bug observation, storytelling, finger painting, craft making, outdoor nature walks, and picture sorting. Children learn how to respect the insects, avoid harming them, and appreciate the beauty of nature. Their smiling faces, active participation, and thoughtful questions showed how learning becomes exciting when children connect with the world around them. This celebration encouraged observation skills, love for nature, and scientific thinking from a young age. A big applause to the little explorers of STEM World School for discovering the magical world of creepy crawlies with confidence, curiosity, and care for nature. Even the smallest creature can teach us something big.
ছাড়া